Hi, students. Logan Phillips, Professor 8. Let's talk about Module 2. Module 2 is going to introduce you to formulas and functions. This module is where Excel truly starts to shine as we dive into how you to analyze present data effectively. It doesn't matter whether you're performing calculations, visualizing insights. The skills you learn in this module are going to be, of course, it's all scaffolds later modules. Now, what you can expect in this module is we're going to build and edit formulas and perform calculations, functions like sum, average, or to streamline your work. We're going to apply some mathematical rules, so you better brush up on your algebra, ideology, order of operation, formulas. We're going to create and customize charts to visualize data, including bar, pie charts. Of course, we're going to format and manage chart elements to effectively. Now, these skills will all help you not only analyze data, but also produce powerful, professional, and now the assignment deadlines. Make sure you or look at your pacing schedule that's available to find out when this module is due, because you're going to do inside this module or sim book using formulas and functions, path building station. We're going to do guided project 2-3, 4, 3-3, 4. So this module does cover 2 chapters projects. Then you will take an exam which covers the formulas, functions, and charts. 25 question assessment, everything that you were taught inside of module. Now, make sure that if you're struggling or you need extra help, you review formulas carefully. You experiment with the functions. Go in, Excel, tag around, touch things, click the buttons, and see what works, what doesn't. Focus on your visualization. Catch up to what we're expecting. Instructional material. Of course, ask for help. This module really builds on the basics from Module 1. So if you did fail anything in Module 1, I would strongly go back and read the book, your sim book, and introduce those ideas for you. Every module after this, more complex. Guys, if you have any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Otherwise, have a good day.